Hey guys, so we're gonna go ahead and pull the factory radio out so we can install the Merryway unit. So the first thing we got to do is remove the trim pieces on the AC controls and the right under the air vent here. And to do that, I'm just gonna use a plastic tool, plastic trim removal tool, door panel tool. Oops. Whew. And that should be easy. I vinyl wrapped these, so I've done this a couple times. It's really not difficult at all. It just takes a couple seconds. Let's see. All right. So, as you can see, that was not too difficult. So we have a few bolts here for the fascia. I'm seeing 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's go ahead and remove those. That is looks like a star key Torx. So I have a little set here. Let's just see, that looks like it could be a T25. Nope, it is not a T25. Then it has to be a T20. Yes, that will do it. Okay. That guy out. Alright, so we should be good with the fascia here. Let's see. Looks like there's 2 clips in the portion of this, so hopefully we don't have to remove these controls, but we do. Yeah, there we go. There it is. Alright, yeah, you'll notice there's these 2 guide clips here. They're pushed forward, so you gotta kind of angle it back, that way. Let's get this connector off here. Ooh, okay. There we go. Fascia is off. Now it looks like we got some more Torx bits here. I see 4 of them. So that should be it. We should just be able to pull this thing out. It looks like T20 again. So all 8 bolts so far have been Alright, that's all 4 bolts there. Those were all done with the T20. It looks like I might get a legitimate parking spot. Let's go ahead, and there's some, if you look here, there's a plastic kind of piece that is holding it in. It's just, there we go, and the whole unit comes out. We have a whole bunch of connectors here. Pink, brown, magenta, green, blue, black, gray. So nice of Jaguar to color code everything for us, at least. Ooh. Oh, okay. So yeah, trigger mechanism there. And for these, okay. Alright, so there's a slide mechanism on the bottom of this. Here, I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so now we have the head unit removed, or the screen. I'm just going to call it a head unit. You see there it says Bosch on it. Has the ribbon cable on the top right. So yeah, there it is. That's it. Let me show you this mechanism here real quick. There's a slider type mechanism where when it is locked, the slider will be forward, and to unlock it you got to pull the slider back, and then they pop right out. Luckily, these are all color coded, so I don't need to keep track of these really. It's pretty obvious, you know, which color goes to which there, so that should not be a problem in the future. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna move this inside. We're gonna take the screen out and put in the, you know, new unit. So